Easy&Fun!
Wow!
Shall we learn uppercase letters now? Here we go!